Highs in the lower 90s. Chance.
There they go. 11:07. That's what I like to hear. Go a little late.
This is your weekly NOAA weather radio test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For the listening area of NOAA Weather Radio WXK90, playing on a frequency of 162.450 MHz, located on the Educational Television Tower at Churraw State Park in Chesterfield County. The counties are as follows. In South Carolina, Chesterfield, Darlington, Lee, and Marlborough. The counties in North Carolina are as follows: Anson, Richmond, and Scotland. This concludes this week's warning alarm test. This was only a test. We will now return you to your normal programming.
Well, there y'all go. JC kinda shut up there for some reason. But there y'all go. I couldn't get Fayetteville working, so I couldn't get another station. My Reecom has not arrived yet. Hopefully it will come later today. But yeah, this was the test of WXK90. So with that, I will sign off. Thanks for watching.